Welcome! Today we'll discover how to transfer money from Payoneer to PayPal quickly and easily. First, log into your Payoneer account. Navigate to the Withdraw section. Next, select Bank Transfer as your withdrawal option, and enter your PayPal account details. Confirm your transaction and review the details for accuracy. This step is crucial. Once confirmed, check for the transaction confirmation email. This will notify you when funds are on their way. Finally, monitor your PayPal account for the incoming funds. It typically takes a few days to process. And that's it! You successfully transferred funds from Payoneer to PayPal. Keep these steps in mind for your future transactions for a smoother experience. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more financial tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. Stay financially savvy and see you next time. Remember, transferring money doesn't have to be complicated. Keep it simple. See you soon for more insights into managing your finances.